Alrighty, guys. So your next project is going to be creating a website, like your own website, pretty much by using Google Sites. It's a software available in your Google Apps. You go down to Google Sites, and here you go. Okay. Um, you'll notice at the top they have some that are templates, but I want you to create one from scratch. Okay. So you're going to click on blank. So this basically, this is a blueprint on how to pretty much do websites using other softwares. Like if you ever start your own business or you're an artist and you want to display your work, most of the softwares kind of work the same exact way. Okay. So you want to change the name up here, Mr. Green's example. Right here is where you just kind of come up with your theme. You can also, it'll automatically pop up right there. If you had your own logo, you could upload your logo right there, but you probably don't. But if you want to create one, you're more than welcome to. So you just would upload, and whatever pictures you have, I'm just grabbing something right now. That would be my logo. So title, come up with a title, my life, whatever you come up with, title for your website. Okay. And then if you want to change this background image, same thing. You can go find a picture that you have. I'm gonna use one of the artworks that I've done, and that's gonna be my background picture. Okay. All right. So if you look to the right, you got a layout. What kind of breaks it down? So I'm just gonna add a layout right here. This layout allows me to add another image of some sort, a calendar or a video. It's your choice what you add right here. Let's say I add a YouTube video. I can go search YouTube, copy and paste the link. How to use Google Sites. So I'm going to search for video. Boom. I can click on this one. Now I have this video that's going to be here. And then I'm going to type in some information. This is another software available in Google Suites. Okay, so right here, I probably wouldn't want to type that because it's like the title. So I'm going to change that up just a little bit. Software. And then right here underneath is where I actually put like the information. So learn how to use the watch video. All right, so I can put information there. If I want to change the theme or the color, I go over here. You know, I'm really big into art, so I can add like a little background to it or add emphasis to it or whatever I'm inspired to do. If I want to add an image to it, I can add another image right here behind there. So that's sometimes makes it look a little bit more interesting. Upload, I got these abstracted images, and boom. So I can really fill in my website as much as I want. Okay. So now I can either add another layout or I can go add just random text if I click on it. Hi. Okay, if I want to add another image underneath that, I can. If I want to embed a website, I could like just copy and paste another YouTube video. And then these are just different buttons, different options. I like this collapse text. You'll notice it on my website. How, click on it. On the top part, it's like how to. And at the bottom, it's just I can copy and paste like a lot of information or whatever, explain, make sure it's clicked on, or one type like I just did, explain how to use this information in real life. All right, so then I can just type a lot of information, and then that way, like, it won't pop up, and so I click on it, and then all the information will pop up, so it kind of saves space. Okay, so these are some of the tools you can use. Again, these are kind of the same things that we went to. If you wanted to upgrade forms, you could, that you've previously created, or slideshow that you've already done. You can do all of that. Okay. All right. So this is the front page. You're going to make at least 3 pages. I go to page number 2. This is my home page. If I want to add a page, I just hit this plus sign, and then my life, my school. Let's call it my school. Boom. Now I have another entirely different page. So this was my home page. It has my information. This next page, I can click on my school, and here I might want to change everything. Let's change it to, I got that those pictures. Boom. This is my school. Okay. So it's just a different page. So when I start off with my home page, it looks like this. But when I go to my school page, and then I do the same thing, I add whatever layout that I want, add my information, pictures, YouTube links, etc., etc. Okay. You might be into cars, so this page might be about your favorite cars. You might be into fashion, so this might be information about different fashion. Okay. So you're gonna do a total of 3 pages. I'm gonna add one more page, my style, and the same thing. Boom. Now I got 3 pages. So I got home, my school, my style. I'm gonna change my top image. Let's change it to something different. Where are my pictures? I got so many pictures spread out over here. Change it to there. Boom. So, all right. So the last little link that you're gonna do is you're going to go to themes, and then if you want to change the style of your whole thing, you can. You can change the colors. If you want to change the whole overall format, that, and still change the colors, and you'll just see it just gives you different effects, different colors, different layouts. Okay, so let's say I like that one. You'll notice even the front layout has changed. So it's really up to you. It changes the fonts, and it changes just the overall design. Okay. All right. So once you're done with it, or you want to take a look at it, you can preview it. Preview is, you got to go to publish, I believe, to preview it. Let's check. No. Where's the preview page? There should be a preview page, or am I getting confused? Navigation, viewers, insert, share with others, settings, more. So you can share it to me that way, just by adding my email right there, mgreen@gpapps.galenapark.com. Just type in it right there and press done. That way I'll be able to see it, or we'll turn it in another way. I'll put in the comments and directions. Okay. Once you publish it, click on publish. That way other people can see it. So the web address is going to be whatever name you call it. So it can be your first and last name. So whatever you want to call it. So let's say I call it Mr. Green's Example. I can publish it. Once I publish it, now it's open for people to see. So all you got to really do is copy and paste, share it the way that I showed you, or you can copy and publish the link. So when I copy and publish it, it says sites, googles.com, Galena Park, and whatever you named it at the end, that's what the name of your website is going to be. You will copy that link, Then we can go back to Google Translate, or I'm sorry, Google Classroom, and then you can turn it in that way. Okay, so I can't show you that because my view looks a little different, but that's the other way to turn it into me so I can see it. Okay, I'll put the rest of the instructions in Google Classroom so you'll know what to do. But just let me know if you have any questions. And you guys are doing a good job. You've made it this far. Let's keep pushing. So y'all have a good one, and let's go.